See, they came yesterday. No, Saturday. And threw that up there. And put some other shit around here. Goddamn slippers soaked. Asked them about my generator. Told me this should be fine. We right back at it, YouTube. This time I'm in my new shed. Been trying to clean this motherfucker out, man. It's gonna be a process right here. Then I gotta go get everything out the other one and bring it over here. Only thing I don't like about this one don't got the concrete floors. But I'm gonna go ahead and put a subfloor over top of this. Just to strengthen it up a little bit. Hang some shelves, toolboxes, the whole nine. Then we're gonna get right back to work. I may not even bring everything over here too, because I still don't have the damn car over here yet. But she coming. I'm gonna put her right up under that carport. But yeah, man, I ain't even gonna set up no time lapse on this. It's real, I ain't got much space left on my camera. So I'm gonna be hopping back in and out with updates. Right now, this is the before. And then I'm gonna show y'all the after. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube. I ain't done an update in a little minute. But your boy's still been working. Kinda show you where I'm at with it real quick. Went ahead and built my workbench. Put some pegboards up. Then I've been tearing up this floor. Like this whole section right here was just rotted through. So, that shit all the way over. Now I'm coming with some extra support over top of it. That's what all of this shit is. So once I fill in this little last gap, I'm gonna add another floor joist up under here, because that's a cut piece. I'm gonna fill in that little last gap. Fill in all these cracks. Cut these two boards to size and get the paint, man. Paint this floor. I'm gonna build some more shelves, some cabinets. But yeah, man, it's been a lot of dust floating around because I've been doing a lot of cutting, moving around. So I ain't been doing much recording because I'm just trying to actually get this done. I got some shit that's up in the storage unit right now that I literally got 9 days to get it out before I pay that bill. So pretty much that's the type of time frame that I'm on. Would be some nice content to record, pick up for y'all, but yeah, like I said, when it's go time, it's go time. Let's get it. All right, let's fast forward a few days later. Finally got the rest of this floor in. I even painted it all with a first coat. I'm gonna still do a second coat. But for the most part, man, I got everything mocked up how I want it. I still got a lot to do. Still got a lot of stuff to go and get. But for the meantime, that's where we at with it. I gotta put another door right here, because the bottom of that jank is total fuck up. So I'm about to go and grab that. I'm gonna end up making this shed solar power, man. So I've been looking at a power station I'm about to order and some panels. But before I do that, I'm gonna end up doing a roof on this jank. They did a beautiful job on the roof on the house. Whole roof, man. I did not expect that. But that's kind of where I've been at with it. That done set me back about $12,000. So yeah, I've been in recovery mode, man. Recovery and recuperating. And still rebuilding. I ain't been rebuilding the Chevy lately because I've been rebuilding this. Trying to get my bank back up, you feel me? But this is where we've been at. Also, I got the amp rack here. It's gonna end up being a part 3. Part 2, I may end up releasing that pretty soon, if not already. And that's just to show y'all how I got it to this point. But since I got it over here now, and I got everything that I need to go ahead and keep it going, I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock it out this weekend. But yeah, I think the next step for me is to go ahead and get the car over here, do this roof, wire this shank up for power. And we gonna keep it moving, baby. Getting back to it, you feel me? The grind ain't never stopping. We always working. Just remember that. Even when I ain't been posting in this whole year, I still been working. Right now, see, I gotta run a power cable all the way to the crib. I hate that. So I gotta get power in this jank full time. But I also want it off grid. I need to keep my bills down. But yeah, like I said, it's where we at with it. I'm gonna keep working. I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish this floor once and for all. I'm gonna build me some more shelves. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this whole little area right here. If I'm gonna build another table or a bench. Probably not. Just because I know I got a lot of stuff with more wheels on it, like my engine stand and lift that I got to put somewhere. So I'm thinking all of that's gonna be right here, close to the door. Just like I got my lawnmower and rake, shovels, brooms, all that good shit. Yeah, this been the process, man. I still got more of the stuff to get for my box Chevy. I got a lot more parts to get. I gotta bring my motor over here. But man, we back, YouTube. We back. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn your notifications on. Let's get it.
I'm cashing out, baby, I ain't crashing out. I'm